I'm aware that this is super ridiculous, guys. I got 9 boxes of this, and I got some Christmas decorations. And I got a steak because I have to make it for my partner tonight because he gets a steak for dinner. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of a mini haul video on what to drink while water fasting, just to show you guys. These here are called La Croix, so 0 calories, no sweetener. That's the main thing. Obviously here it says in English because that one's the French one. But if you look at the label, you can see 0 calories, but a lot of things are 0 calories, so don't get fooled by that. Here it says carbonated water, naturally essence, so there's no sweetener whatsoever. You do not want to get any drinks with sucralose. So that's a no-no. So like Diet Coke is a no-no because there's sucralose in it. Number 2, you can actually get these Perriers. So again, just check the label at the back of it. And it says natural spring water carbon dioxide. Here, again, 0 calories, so these are good to go. Let's see this one. Before my phone dies, I'm at 2%. This is very stressful. Natural spring water, carbon dioxide, natural flavor. Again, no sweetener for this one. Let's keep going. Same thing here, no sweetener, good to go. Let's see the strawberry one. 0 calorie slim cans. So, natural spring water, carbon dioxide. So these are all good to go. So if you guys want Perrier's, La Croix is good too. Bubbly is good for a fact as well, so I'm going to show you guys the label of that one as well. Okay, 0 calories. Where are the ingredients here? Carbonated water, natural flavor, exactly. So no sucralose, no sweetener in those. Good to go. Let's see, 0 calories, 0 sugar. Let's see Fresca, for example. So that's sodium in it. Where are the ingredients? That one doesn't seem to have ingredients. Okay, so this one I'm a little bit suspicious about. It says no sugar, natural. Wait, that's in, I'm gonna read the English one for you guys. Okay, the only reason I'm a little bit suspicious about this one is because I can't find the ingredients. Unless I'm crazy and I just don't see it. 0 calories, 0 color, 0 sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna pass on that one for now just because I'm suspicious about it. But just to give you guys an example, let's say that you're, I don't know, let's say that you're a Crush drinker and you're like, oh, this is 0 calories. This is incredible. I could drink this while water fasting. Well, the answer is no. You cannot drink this while water fasting, and I'll tell you why. If you look at the ingredients here, carbonated water, citric acid, sodium benzoate, sucralose. Sucralose is not good during water fast. So this is an absolute no-go. Don't drink this. Same thing with the Diet 7-Up, same thing with the Diet Dr. Pepper. So if you guys don't understand, it says sugar-free, but they get you because it actually has sucralose in it. So if you look at this one as well, all these things by Pepsi and Coca-Cola, they always have sugar in it. If you look, this one has aspartame. So again, that's a no-no for that one. So yes, it's 0 calories and yes, it's 0 sugar, but it has aspartame. So it's a no-go as well. So that's my little haul about what you can drink at the supermarket. And they're on sale, and I've never seen La Croix in Canada. So I just decided to get a bunch of La Croix to stock up because my boyfriend likes them as well. So I'm gonna get a bunch of these. There's coconut flavor, cranberry, raspberry, peach, pear, lemon, fruit des champs. How do you say that? Berry. Oh, and here's an orange one. So I'm just gonna get a bunch and stock up for Christmas so I can offer these to guests as well because we don't really have any juices or anything like that in the house. So that's our little grocery haul for today. Oh, let's look at one more, San Pellegrino. These ones are good as well. So if you look at the label, 0 calories. You see here? Well, for some reason it should say 0 there, but unless I don't know what's going on. Here, natural mineral water, carbon dioxide, natural flavors. Again, no sucralose, no aspartame, so it's good to go. This one's really good as well. I've tried it. 0 calories, tangerine wild, strawberry. So again, no sucralose, no aspartame, no sweetener, no sugar. So this one's good to go as well. And then there's the San Pellegrinos here. Let's see about these. Okay, let's see these ones here. 120, okay, these are absolutely no-go. These are full of sugar. So those are bad. So make sure that you're checking the labels when you're getting your stuff for water fasting. Yes, yes, absolutely no. Yes, 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 yes. Okay? I hope that helped you guys a little bit today.